All right, so we're looking at, we're going to look at part B and C for this activity. Now if we come up here again, you did part B correctly, but there's a slightly different answer. So if we were to plug into, now I'm using an iPhone, I don't know if you also have an iPhone, but if you unlock your screen, the orientation, and then you turn it sideways, you have a bunch more options. And so you set this up perfectly right, inverse tan of 3. But if we do that, if we type in our calculator 3 and then second tan, it'll actually give you 71.56, which is what we have right here. Or we can round it to 71.57 actually. So now that is what we need to consider when we're doing part C. So it says, imagine two line segments where each represents a slant height of the cone. Segments are on opposite side of the cone and meet at the apex. Find the measure of the angle formed between the line segments. Now let's come back up here for a second, and I'm going to draw some stuff on here. So the angle that we just found is right here. This is, what was that, 71.57 for this angle right here. Now, in part C, where they're talking about the two lines being the slants opposite from each other, that's going to be here and here. So now it's asking us for this angle right there. Now, what we can say about this angle is if we look at this triangle that is made here, here, and then here, we know that this is a 90-degree angle. We know that this is 71.57. And so we can find out what this angle is right here because a full triangle is 180 degrees. If we subtract 90 and subtract 71.57, you're going to get this angle right here. Now, whatever you find to be your answer right here, let's just call that A. Then we know that this side is also A, and so together, this little one right here. Now, together, this whole big angle that we're trying to find will be 2 times whatever you get there, right? 2 times A, if that's what we're doing. But whatever this angle is that you find by doing this, you're going to multiply by 2 to get the full angle across. Hopefully that helps.